You know what the best part about living alone in a new city is? When I'm gonna show you my apartment and stuff? Is I can't hit you with one of those super dumb, overplayed, welcome to my crib, open the door, little intros. So instead, I'm just gonna show you where I live now. Something I've thought about a lot recently is like making your outside environment match your insides. And I spent like a lot of my life not living up to that. And what I mean by that is like settling for things that were good enough, just good enough to keep up appearances maybe, but never be like, oh my God, that's the place, like that's where I want to be. And this apartment is something I could have only dreamed of. Like truly, it's insane. Every single day I wake up and I look out these windows and I'm like, God, and I feel so grateful to be here. So that's my spot. You can definitely expect to see some stuff getting created over there. The kitchen is interesting. I've never worked with like appliances and counter space this small and stuff like that, but like it totally works. As far as electric burners go, they're pretty kick butt, and I can't wait to show you what I've been cooking. The thing about Seattle is that it's soup weather all the time. It's a beautiful, beautiful day out for that right now. As you can see, crystal clear view, which is fantastic. But yeah, a lot of soup, a lot of Szechuan food for like the spicy, tingly goodness. And man, I'm excited to be back. I've been going through a lot in my life, which I'll share with you at some point. But obviously, like new apartment, new city, new job, a whole bunch of new stuff going on. And I can't wait to talk about all of that and so much more here with you on the Jordan P. Quinn channel. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll talk to you next time. I love you all so much. Oh, before I forget, if you're feeling so inclined, give this video a big old thumbs up. And if you are ready to just spank that subscribe button, would mean a lot to me. And let me know what you want to see. If there's like more details for the apartment, the building's insane. I would love to show you like the gym and the rooftop and all these kinds of things. That'll come at some point, but let me know what you want to see. Let me know what you think is cool. And yeah, until next time, y'all. Much love. Peace.